Evening, everyone. So right now we are doing a live session with our judge Ritesh Ghosh sir. So we are going to just show 15 photos one by one which you have selected, and we'll just give a review of it. Okay, sir. So here comes this a very first one, entry number one. So what do you think about this picture, sir?
Uh, Going with the current scenario, we all know that uh, the entire world is being affected by
Hmm.
the COVID pandemic. And this picture, when I saw this picture for the first time, it like really struck me because of this old gentleman sitting in his workshop with the goddess face in his hand and wearing this mask on his face, which just goes on to show the passion which we, the people of Bengal, have looking forward to the festive season, which is just knocking around the corner. And I felt that this was a very apt picture, depending on the current situation that we are in. Plus, the lighting in this picture is like really beautiful, and the moment captured in this picture was really beautiful. So yeah,
Okay, okay, sure, sir, sure.
it's
Okay,
beautiful.
okay. So entry number two, sir. This is the entry number two.
Yeah, this again is the reflection of the goddess, which is commonly taken by many of us in the mirror. What
Exactly.
I basically found about this image is that, see, capturing a mirror reflection is not that easy always, because
Exactly,
whenever
exactly,
you're
sir.
focusing,
Hmm.
whenever you're focusing on a mirror surface, the focus tends to hunt down a bit because it's very difficult to get a tack sharp focus when you're focusing particularly on the mirror reflection. And
Exactly.
going by that, I find that it is a very good image. The focusing here particularly has been done very aptly. So yeah,
Also the angle also, so it was really a very well planned
exactly,
picture. Okay, sir.
exactly, well executed.
Well executed. Exactly, sir. So this is the entry number three, sir. Uh, very.
Uh, well, again, as far as I can capture the moment from here, I think this is the Govardhan Puja or the Krishna Janmashtami Puja that is going
Hmm.
on here.
Yes, yes. With that thing, that
Uh,
pandal short small thing. Yep, you're correct.
Yes, yes, yes. Considering the fact that it is a low light image, I find that the light balance, particularly on the subject's face,
Hmm.
has been balanced very well. Although a bit more could be done for the lighting that is there towards the right hand side of the frame, so that the subject which is inside that area could be a little more prominent. But nevertheless, the overall composition I felt was really good. The moment captured was really nice, and yes, the lighting
Ex-
again here worked very well for me.
exactly, exactly. So the entry number four. Apart from this Durga Puja which was going on, fresh image. What do you think about it, sir?
Yeah, very good moment. I feel this is taken on the Malik Ghat, I believe, I presume,
Yeah, yeah,
during the
exactly.
Chhat Puja
Malika.
occasion.
Chhat Puja occasion. Exactly, sir. Exactly.
And yes, yes. And considering the fact that street photography is all about approaching close to your subject, I find that this particular photographer has really taken the initiative to approach the subject, and the moment captured is really a very candid moment, which is also very important in street photography.
Ex-
So, going by these two factors, like approaching your subject up close and freezing the candid moment at the right time, I find that this image deserves the spot in the top 15.
exactly, exactly. Okay, sir. We will go to the next image. Entry number five, the Kumortoli scene. Quite a refreshing one, sir. What do you think, sir?
Uh, this again happens to be a favorite image of mine, of the ones that I have already selected and talked about. With
Yes,
the
yes,
Durga
sir.
Puja
Yes, you said.
festival just knocking around the corner. I don't know whether this image has been taken in this particular year or not, because I myself have not been able to visit this place for the last 6 7 months. Uh,
Exactly. It's the
and
situation is worse, so
I
that.
know it's I know seeing images like this, particularly taken during the low light, just after the blue hour, and
Exactly.
the balancing of the warm light with the cool tones is creating a magical effect out here. So kudos to the photographer, plus the silhouette figure of the human being which is captured
Exactly.
works really well for me. It actually balances the frame very well. So
Exactly. The
yeah,
two split screen. It's really great one. Okay, sir. We move up to
it's an
the
amazing
next
image.
one. Another still one. What do you think about it, sir?
Uh, this image again purely comes out with the emotion and the feeling that we treat our goddesses just like our own daughters of our house. And this, I presume, is taken during the Saraswati Puja, I believe,
Yeah, yeah.
when the
So,
goddess is being she
yeah,
is being bid farewell by the elderly of the family. The woman here is raising her hand up to the mouth of the goddess as if she is like wanting to feed her some sweets before she departs. So the overall emotion in this particular image worked really well for me. It's
exactly.
as if a mother is connecting to a daughter. So
The tradition is
it's a
being
very
upheld.
strongly,
Exactly.
yes, the tradition plus the emotion which is being thrown at the viewers is really very strong. So yeah.
Okay, so okay, we'll move up to the next entry number 7. A monochrome shot. What do you think about it, sir?
The Annapur festival, a very well balanced frame with very minimal overlapping. But I think the post processing in this particular black and white image could have been a little more better. Since we were running a little short of the images that were given to me for selection,
Exactly.
this was kind of a different image going by the topic festivals which you guys had kept, right, for
Yeah,
the
yeah,
particular
yeah, yeah.
contexts.
Exactly,
So
exactly. A bit differed from the part which we have decided. Exactly, exactly. Get your point, sir.
yes,
Hmm.
exactly. So yeah,
So
a
that's it.
well balanced frame, but I felt that a little more could have been done in terms of the post processing. It
Post
could have made
processing.
this image much better.
Okay. Next one. Entry number 8. Quite colorful one, sir. What do you think about it?
This place has also been my favorite. I think this is taken from the last year's puja.
Exactly.
Some puja in South Kolkata. I don't exactly remember where, but the lighting here was really very amazing. And
A must watch for every photographer to take a shot here, sir. I do agree.
exactly.
Hmm.
And the photographer was really lucky to have found a car, that also a static car, just standing right beneath the entire lighting panel. And the
Hmm.
reflection on the entire car body, together with the roof, has been captured very beautifully. So
Exactly.
yeah, lighting always is a part of our festivities, be it the Durga Puja or be it Diwali. Uh, Whenever there is lights all around, it gives us positive hopes and positive vibes, and especially during these times of COVID-19, seeing
Light.
such images really cheers you up. So yeah, it's a very positive image for me,
It's truly
sending
enlightens
positive
us, sir.
vibes all across.
Exactly, exactly. So we'll move up to the
Right.
next one. Another monochrome shot, sir. That also from our favorite Kumar Tilly scene. What do you think about it?
Yeah. This again happens to be a very good image in terms of the fact that the story which it depicts. Here we can see just the head of the Asura with the hands of the goddess just above him, and as if he is looking up and seeking her forgiveness. So yeah, the treatment of this particular image I find has been very well done, particularly the handling of the shadows and the highlights, since it's been taken in monochrome, black and white.
Black and white, sir.
A strong story, I believe, and a unique perspective.
Unique perspective also. Like from the tilted position from downward, it was really point. Okay, so we'll move up to our next one. Once more, sir. From the same scenario, but a different perspective. What do you think, sir, about it?
This again, I feel that since Durga Puja is coming up, many people have images related to the particular theme Durga Puja as a
Yes.
part of the festivals. But this image is particularly a bit strikingly different because here we see this girl sitting in front, poised in front of the goddess, who doesn't seem to be having the head yet implanted, and the positioning of this particular shot has been taken very beautifully. Like
Yes,
the
the head
clay
in the
hands of the
middle.
goddess will just and
Got it.
the girl's face is seem to be like painted in the same tones, like clay tones. So the idea which is put behind this particular image by the photographer is really commendable. Like he's matched the tones of the clay thing with the goddess's hands, with the
Hmm.
tones on the face of the model, and she's being juxtaposed in front of the goddess as if she's getting prepared herself for the fight with the Asura. So yeah, this again in terms of the POV and the concept is a very strong image.
Exactly. The positioning of the subject was really commendable, sir. Okay, so we'll move up to our next entry, number 11. Hello, sir.
A
Yeah,
common
yeah.
short scene for photographers who visit Kumatuli is the making of the face. Many people I have seen normally are in the habit of taking a side shot of the face being made, but this is something where the face is facing front and it is literally being held in the hands. So
Exactly.
the details in this particular shot I find is really very good, particularly the details of the hands of the artisan who is like
And how
sculpting the
he's
face
and
of
how
the
he's
goddess.
craving also the eyes that
So
could be
yeah,
detailed out. Your point was very much noted, sir. Exactly.
yes, yes.
Entry number 12. Okay, another shot from different festival at least. Nice one. What do you think, sir? From your
Yes, yes, yes. A very vibrant picture indeed. Again, I would say that in these distress times, whenever you see something such vibrant, be it in terms of lighting or be it in terms of color, it always like tends to cheer you up. So this is a very vibrant moment which has been captured during Holi. I presume this is taken in the Barabazar Holi, which is the
Bada
Rolls
Bazaar,
Royce Holi,
exact Rolls Royce Holy.
and yes,
Hmm.
it's as if it's raining colors all through, and people are really letting out their emotions and enjoying themselves. So yeah, a very vibrant and colorful image, which cheers you up.
Exactly. So we'll move on to our next. It's again from another new one. What do you think, sir? Quite a
An amazing moment, Dhunuchi Nach, which
Junoshida.
forms the
Iconic song.
traditional Bengali dance form. Yes, especially with the women and the men dressed in the traditional attire with the goddess in the backdrop. The ambience captured here is truly magical. What I feel is that the real essence of this particular moment is included by the framing to the right. If you see,
Hmm.
you will find a few lenses jutting into the thing. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
believe that the entire essence of this particular moment being captured by enthusiastic photographers like us has
Hmm.
also been included in this particular frame, which makes it a balanced one. Plus,
Hmm.
the ambience and the treatment, overall editing treatment, has been done beautifully. So, yeah, a very good image.
Yeah, yeah. This like
In fact,
seriously.
I was here at this very location last year, so maybe
Oh,
I was somewhere behind this gentleman who was taking this shot from the front. Uh,
okay, okay. Then you were
I
there
still
in this
remember.
whole
I would like
crowd.
to share a small incident.
Yes, sir. Sure,
Like
of course.
just after this dance started, just after this Dhumuchi dance started, the photographers who had already assembled there, they were 50 to 60 odd photographers. It was a huge crowd, and I was one of them. I went to this particular club to shoot this particular event for the first time last year.
Okay,
This I
okay.
think is the Tal Betal Club, which is near Behala. Not Behala, it is near somewhere near New Alipur or somewhere, I guess. Tal Betal Club,
Talve
which I remember the
Talve
name of
Talkav.
the.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Famous.
yes.
Hmm.
So as soon as the ladies got geared up and the dance started, the photographers just rushed in to form a barricade right in front, and I
Sure.
was left behind. So really had to struggle to get past this sea of photographers to get a few good images. So yeah, commendable job by this gentleman or lady, whoever it might be. I don't know
Uh,
because the names have not yet been course. So
Ah,
yeah, beautifully positioned himself for herself and clicked this beautiful moment.
okay, so sure. Very entry number 14. Mm, and
Another warm uh, moment, image full of emotions,
emotions, sir, seriously.
brotherhood, and yes, emotions coming out of this particular image taken during the festival of Eid,
Eid,
when
it's
it's a ritual of hugging each other after the morning prayers. Uh, that's it. It's a very simple but yet very beautiful
beautiful and it has a
image,
strong
full of
emotion
emotions.
related to it, exactly. Now let's come to the last
Right.
image, entry number 15. Uh, it's most probably Rath
This again
Yatra.
is a to- totally different image of the Ratha Yatra, where I
Exactly.
guess Lord Balabhadra is being carried out of the temple premises by two priests.
To praise.
This again is a very lovely shot. I think taken on a wide angle camera from a very low angle. The perspective is very unique, with people looking onto the god being brought out of the temple premises. Very colorful image, very vibrant. The dresses adorned by the priests and the ambience, everything is so very colorful and a very strong image indeed. It's one of my personal favorites.
Exactly. So last, sir, we want to thank you a lot for sir giving your special time to us, sir. In this COVID-19
Thank you for having me over during these times. Thanks to the entire team of Kolkata Pixel and
of
to you,
course,
Bishop Leo. It's been really
clear.
amazing
Thank you, sir.
going through the images.
Exactly. So winners will be it's to our all viewers. Winners will be announced tomorrow only. Be tuned to us Tech Stories. And last and not the least, keep following, keep tagging, and stay safe. Okay, sir. Nice to meet you a lot. Thanks a lot, sir. Uh,
Same here. See you.
sure, sir. Good night, sir. Good night. We are closing it.
Good night.
Good night.